services across the globe might be affected due to massive solar storms that could disrupt Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field is a magnetic power created by the rotation of the planet. A computer scientist at the University of California has warned that solar storms could induce blackouts by overloading power grids and affect GPS systems. Solar flares or solar storms are nothing but massive explosions on the surface of the sun that release energy, light, and high-speed particles into space. On July 3rd, a solar flare was seen flowing from an equatorial hole in the sun's atmosphere, and the world's premier space agency, NASA, now says that a solar flare is likely to hit Earth's magnetic field. The solar flare is a sudden, rapid, and intense explosion on the surface of the sun that emits radiation across the length and breadth of the universe, hurtling them towards planets in the solar system. The electromagnetic fluctuations caused by an intense solar storm can damage fiber optic cables that make up the backbone of the internet. Besides optic cables, the solar storm might also ravage space weather, which makes it harder to repair. What got me thinking about this is that the pandemic, we saw how unprepared the world was. There was no protocol to deal with it effectively, and it's the same with internet resilience. Our infrastructure is not prepared for a large-scale solar event. We have very limited understanding of what the extent of the damage would be. According to some researchers, several internet giants like Google and Facebook that require access to large-scale data centers in specific regions could be cut off from some users due to solar storm. Researchers also added that a major coronal mass ejection could also destroy electronics aboard satellites used for both GPS and internet traffic. The solar storm can also cut off international internet communications until workers could replace them. According to astrophysicists, the percentage of solar storms affecting the planet is 1.6 to 12%. However, assessing these solar storms is slightly difficult as there are not many incidents of solar storms affecting the Earth. So far, only a few severe solar storms have affected the Earth in 1859, 1921, and 1989. And as the Sun goes through periodic cycles of more and less activity, the current solar storm, dubbed as Solar Cycle 25, will peak in 2025. The largest observed solar eruption took place in September 1859, where a gigantic amount of hot plasma struck the Earth. According to the astronomers, one of the dark spots on the surface of the Sun suddenly lit up and shone brightly over the solar surface. The 1859 solar storm is also known as the Carrington event. The auroras associated with this event was widely witnessed over Cuba and Hawaii. The solar storm also affected the telegraph system worldwide across the world.